Hello and welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin and today we're going to be opening up my Boxycharm base for the month of September, and I'm super excited to get this one. I normally wouldn't have got it because I did get the Luxe this month. However, I did open a separate account so that I could also receive the base because I was excited about getting it and seeing what's inside. Here is my base box. For those of you who don't know, Boxycharm is a beauty subscription that has 3 different tiers. First being at $25 a month. This is the base box and it has 5 full-size items inside. So let's go ahead and open and see what I got. And this is first impressions opening the box. And this is the card for the month. It's the theme is BTS. And on the back it's listed the items that are inside and the value of them. And first up is my choice item, which I was really excited to get, is the Glam Glow Youth Mask. Youth Mud Mask. And it's in such a large box. It makes me so excited. Their products are really good. I have their face wash that I'm currently using in the shower right now, and I absolutely love it. So whenever I seen an option for another Glam Glow product, I definitely chose it. And as always, they went above and beyond on the packaging. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's very heavy, which makes me know that it's expensive. I bet it's made out of real metal. Let's just open this up and see what it looks like. And it is sealed. It does smell similar to their face wash, but a little bit different, a little more fruitier. This is what the mask looks like inside. It does have a large air bubble, but that's normal in skincare. It looks amazing. I can't wait to try this. And this is valued at, I think it's something crazy. Let's see. $60. So definitely worth our value for our box already, only paying $25. Oh, and next up is, what is this? It's from Half Caked Best Friends Forever and Bloom Duo Fiber Brush Set. Okay, I think I've seen this. It's like a blush with a blush brush, I do believe. Here is the brush. I'm not going to open this right now, but it looks really nice. So this is the blush outer packaging, and I just love the lavender color. I love it so much, and you don't see it much on packaging. Very fun packaging for sure. And inside we have a very pretty, almost like a peachy tone blush. And it does have a mirror inside as well. And this is actually decent size. This is like a powder compact size. And I think it's cool how it came with its own special blush brush. So definitely like this one here. So this blush and brush combo is valued at $22. Next up is from Georgette Klinger, and it's a Marlula Primer, and it's for all skin types. And I love like the rose gold accent that they have on the outside of the container. It makes it look very nice. And it does have a protection seal on it. Okay, so this product is cruelty-free, dye-free, paraben-free, and fragrance-free. So it doesn't have a scent to it much at all. It comes out like a gel, but it seems like a really good product. It says it had vitamin A, E, F, and B inside, and it's ideal for oil and silicone based foundation formulas. So that's good to know too. If you have different kind of foundations, there's different kinds of primers to wear with those. And it's very specific on which kind that you should wear it with, so that's always helpful. This is valued at $32 for this primer. Okay, next up is Quick Slick. This is from the brand insert name here, and it's a Quick Slick, and it's a hair essence. I seen this online and I was super excited about this because I always have flyaways. I have flyaways right now. As you can see, something like this would be perfect for me. So I am so excited to try it. Here is the outside packaging. It's an ombre of a white and a pink, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, it has a really nice comb on it. And it just comes so effortlessly through your hair. It's absolutely amazing. I feel like it's not oily at all, but it did help to put down a lot of those flyaways that I have. It's not perfect, but it definitely looks a lot better than what it did. And it was kind of fun actually putting it on. So definitely like this. This is valued at $22. And last but not least is from Pinky Rose Cosmetics, and it's a 2 multi-use makeup sticks. And the outside packaging is like an old cassette player. It's pretty cool. And I just love the color choices they put together because these colors really do go well together. And here is the packaging, and they have musical notes on it, which is a nice touch because one's called jazz and one's called hip hop. Oh, these colors together. Yep, they're absolutely gorgeous. Okay, this one I would love to use it as like an eyeshadow. And the other one you could almost use it as a concealer or also as an eyeshadow would be really nice. And as a concealer you could get into those smaller spaces easier, I would imagine. And they felt really good going on my skin. They glided really easily across my skin, which makes me really excited to try them out. I couldn't help it. I had to put some of that on right now. That is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. And you can, if you like these and didn't get these in the box, they're actually on sale on the pop-up sale right now for only $4. So if you wanted to grab a pair or to try it out, I definitely recommend it. I like them so far. And you could use it as an eyeliner, an eyeshadow, concealer for even one of them. And that is everything that I had for you today. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching.